Welcome everybody to another backtesting session. We're starting now from Monday the 12th of September. We don't have any fundamental report today, but the following day on Tuesday we have the CPI coming in. On Wednesday we have the PPI, and Thursday mainly the jobless claims and also the retail sales to close off the Friday with the preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment coming up at 10 a.m. So let's start from today. Nothing really affecting gold, so let's just simply trade with the price action. So this is the New York Open. We have these highs, we have these lows. Okay, we can take this first trade. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I would love to see a little bit of a push. Yeah, this one so far will not be a win. I would have loved to see the price staying below this low, but it does not. Yeah, and it will end up being the first loss of the week. Over here or anywhere over here would be actually the same. Now we are actually breaking and retesting above these highs, but that doesn't mean that I will enter buys straight away. Let's see if we have some market structure forming for the bullish one, or we are simply now going back down. Yeah, we are so far making new lows, retesting these new lows, which might give us the opportunity to back down. I would probably, now that we have forming this market structure, take these entry cells. Okay, over here. Okay, and that's that will be actually a win. So that's absolutely perfect. Coming to New York Stock Exchange opening. Now we might see, yeah, we saw probably a retest of these lows, but I will see and look for sells below these lows mainly for the continuation down. I will not take the sells at the end of the pullback. We have this break and retest. This might be a possible trade idea for the buys. Okay, going around 30 pips. And now we're going to see probably if we have the next slide with the end of the session. No, we don't. So yeah, we will leave it as it is. Now we're coming into Tuesday. Tuesday is okay, is the CPI day. So let's just wait a second, and I will open the broker for the previous day. So as you can see, this was the 12th of September, and we can see that we took this win, and then we tried. I mean, we had took this buy. That so far went only like 38 pips, but with patience, you can see that the price from here will go to like 46, 47. So this will actually let me just remove this. This will actually be a win. Okay, perfect. So now let's continue with the 13th. So this is the CPI. Of course, we already know that there's no end over here. Let's see if it's an increase. Yeah, the CPI is very much increased. So this is very bearish for gold, because that means that the Fed will need to raise the rates quite a lot. So let's get to the next slide and see if we can have any price sensitivity area where we could take our sells. So far we see that we have the retest of these lows with this candle closing over here for possible entry sells. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that will go into profits. Also breaking below these lows would have been a very good entry. And now let's see for possible further trade ideas. Okay, and then over here at these lows, at this candle close, would have been a winning trade as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I will only look for sells below these lows. Let's also that's the last retest. Sells below these lows. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now probably below these lows. Okay, we have a retest over here. 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, yes, that will be another win. Okay, now if we have a retest of these last highs, that's where we might take possible reversal. Otherwise, waiting for New York Stock Exchange opening and then for possible continuation below these lows. Okay, yeah, price is now staying above these highs, so this might be a possible entry. Or if we have the retest over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, price is staying above. Now we're seeing a correction. We might retest these lows, even with this lower wick. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and this one would be a loss. This entry would have been actually the best entry, this candle. And but yeah, let's see now the last half an hour of the session. Okay. Yeah, price is simply ranging. Now let's move on into Wednesday the 14th. We have the PPI. I mean, not really. I don't think it will impact that much. So far, we have this movement, breaking above, breaking below. That's it. Okay, price is staying below, above. Okay. Very, very sketchy price action so far. Yeah, and that will end up being a loss. Okay, now coming to New York Stock Exchange opening. Possible entry. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay, Thursday. Thursday is the retail sales and jobless claims. So let's be careful with the news. Okay, so at the news we have these lows, these most recent highs. Let's see the data showing better than expected, still more than previous one, but still should be a good data. Retail sales better, worse. So it should be a little bit of a mixed data. So let's see what is the market reaction to it. Okay. Okay. And now price is pushing up. We got this retest over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then a correction at this last low. So if price breaks below, we might take the correction sells. Over here. One, two, three. Yeah, 3.5. That's a win. Okay, let's go and see the 10 a.m. candle. So this is the open, 10 a.m. candle open. At these last lows, last highs. Very good. And then we have a spike down at the London close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it was the retest of these lows. But yeah, I will not consider it. Okay. A lot of volume, I don't know why. after London session close. And let's get into Friday. Friday was the only thing is at 10 a.m. we have the Michigan consumer sentiment. Now we're coming into the New York Open. We have these highs, these lows that we are now breaking below. Okay, now let's have these possible lows taken, which will actually be a win. One, two, three, four. Below these lows or above these highs. Yeah, so far we probably could have taken something below these lows. Okay. Very good. Okay, so we were coming at the 10 a.m. candle. We took our profits. So far, we have these buys playing out. One, two, three, four. Yes. So we could have taken them. Then I don't know if I would take these buys or these buys, but I will probably take these ones. And let's see. I will need to check it on the broker, this one, to see if it's profitable one. And then we have continuation up. We might have this trade idea as well. Yeah, and that will be it for the day. So let's see on the broker on the 15th. We are now on the 16th. So it was like this. This one was a win. And like this. This one will be a win as well. And let's see over here. This one will actually be only 35, 36. So this one will be a loss. Okay. That was it for the week. I think this week went very well. 2-1, 5-1, 7-2, 7-3, 9-3, 10-3, 12-4, 14-5. Yes, this week went really, really well. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.